Please like and subscribe so I can share more cool and unique finds with you. CNE is back for 2022, and one of the most popular rides is without a doubt the Skyride. To the left, I did a time lapse of the 2.5 to 3 hour wait that there is most nights. I'm not gonna lie, it is magical to see the Midway all lit up at night from the sky, so at least trying it once in your life is worth it. But that being said, there's ways to have no wait time at all, and I even managed to have the Skyride completely to myself.
Go on the Skyride in less favorable conditions, like the rain, you can have it to yourself. Now, they don't run with lightning and they don't run in certain conditions, but when it's just a light rain, you can go on it completely to yourself.
So I'm often asked when is the least busiest time to visit the CNE, and that would be when it first opens in the morning on Monday to Thursday. There's little to no wait time on the rides. You can basically just walk right on, and when days that it's raining, it's even less busy. A few fun facts about the Skyride is that it reaches heights of over 35 feet. It is a one-way ride, and I recommend going from west to east so that you get views of the CN Tower in the background. It costs 6 tickets to ride, but here's my pro tip. A lot of people don't know, or maybe don't invest in, is the Express Pass bracelet. It is $25 per person. It's in addition to your entrance fee and your all-day ride pass, but it puts you at the front of the line basically. On that 2.5 to 3 hour time lapse that I did, people were walking in. There was less than 10 people in line for that Express Pass, so there was no wait at all to ride it at night with those magical views. Skyride ride is between 10 and 12 minutes long, so it is definitely by far the longest ride at the CNE. The Skyride belongs to North American Midway Entertainment, who service 3 of Canada's largest fairs, including the CNE, K-Days, and Calgary Stampede. Are you going on the Skyride? Please like and subscribe so I can share more cool and unique finds with you.